play. I have never had any qualms about being emotionally naked. The same can definitely not be said about being physically so, but you bet I can easily pull up my sleeves to reveal the stormy seas and thunder. Emotional processes that can only make you wonder how I can go about feeling so much for everything without figuratively imploding. In all honesty, I am content with my amount of feeling. I breathe it and feel optimism that emotion is human. And I can bathe and relax in the fact that I feel the same amount of humanity when I am happy and when I am sad. But damn it, if you mention the idea of me taking my clothes off for someone I don't feel for, qualms aplenty, it makes me sweat just thinking about it. I lack that primal feeling and I can't find an explanation as to why. Is it naivety, innocence, blissful ignorance? I cannot let go, I cannot detach myself, and why should I? It's impossible. What a preposterous proposition. I'm in no position to alter myself for these horny primates with their constant tendencies. And I don't mean to sound elitist. And I'm just saying I'm nowhere near complaining, merely just contemplating how people can be so close, with that much touch, without much bonding happening at all. Call me a sap. I know I'm a prude, pridefully so if I might add, but what's so unappealing about the bonding of spirits, or combination of souls? I feel something more than the grinding of genitals, to put it in terms to keep you tuned in. Let's call it making love. Fucking is a game. Casual sex is just another title for the same game, and I can't seem to find a way in this world that waking up next to someone having forgotten their name, absolutely no holding of bodies or vitality, and a walk of shame could be more seductive than heart. Think and say what you may, but here is where I will add the disdain. I will never play.